monkey, duck, elephant, bear, horse, sheep, cat, jaguar, highland, tiger,
Subscribe.
the manatee, a gentle marine mammal, often referred to as a sea cow, distinguishes itself from other animals with its large, barrel-shaped body and distinctive paddle-like flippers. Known for their slow movements and herbivorous diet, manatees embody a serene existence in coastal waters, estuaries, and rivers. What truly sets manatees apart is their evolutionary adaptation to aquatic life, featuring a unique arrangement of molars for grinding vegetation. Their endearing, wrinkled faces and prehensile upper lip contribute to their distinctive appearance, creating an image of aquatic grace. Manatees serve as gentle stewards of coastal ecosystems, influencing seagrass distribution through their feeding habits. Their existence underscores the interconnectedness of marine life, and their docile nature adds a touch of wonder to the diverse tapestry of creatures inhabiting the world's waterways.